Hello and welcome to the series of video editing. In this series of short videos, I'll be teaching you on how you can edit your own videos on Camtasia. If you make it to the end of the course, you will be able to edit good videos. So let's get started and install Camtasia. Open your browser and type TechSmith. Go onto their website and click on Products. Here you see Camtasia. Click on that. The best all-in-one screen recorder and video editor. You can choose to download it, practice it a little for a few days. If you like it, buy it. If you want to buy it, click on Buy Now. Then go to Pricing. See what suits you. I'm a student, so I got it at this price. If you're not, you get it at this price. So that's where you install Camtasia from.